Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Join me. Let's make this simple dinner recipe for my family. So I first peel the the potato. This is Irish potato. I peel the back and I now cut them in cube sizes. Feel free to cut it if you want. If you like this recipe, cut any sizes you want. And then I'm going to add my spices. I will list the spices that I used on the screen. And this is thyme, basil leaf, oregano leaf. They are mixed together, and I also link it. Put the link below the mixture of spices that you can keep in your kitchen. I mix them all together, put them in the oven for it to um, bake for some time. Now added my oil. This is my leftover oil, and I'm going to use chicken for this, and then I'll mix it and fry them. And you don't need to add any stock cube or anything to this because you're going to add it later. Now that is baked and nice and crispy, a little bit crispy in the outside and juicy in the inside. Now add a little bit of oil, then I'll add onions. This is my onion and spring onion and basil leaf and my mixed paprika. Then I'll add my stock cube powder. This is the only time I'm adding my stock cube powder, and add the fried chicken, and then I'll mix everything together. This recipe is a very good recipe as you can give to your family. Sometimes you just eat something different, not every time fufu, not every time and other things are rice. This was very delicious. Thank you for watching. Until I come your way next time, see you soon.